In the most remote and enigmatic places of the tropical Americas, where nature displays its unbridled beauty, a unique treasure known as air plants flourishes, aerial creatures that defy the conventions of plant life. At the foot of towering volcanoes, along verdant river basins and even sun-drenched deserts, these versatile epiphytic plants bravely cling to trees and cliff faces. Their seeds spread on gusts of wind as they weave their story in the secret enclaves of virgin forests. With their sculptural leaves and palette-defying blooming colors, air plants serve as guardians of biodiversity, silent witnesses to the eternal dance between earth, air, rain, and sunlight. Air plants, in their astonishing simplicity, teach us that true greatness lies in the ability to adapt and flourish in the most unexpected places. Appreciate with us the beauty of air plants in their natural habitat.